was 434.50. 434.50. Let me look. So this is where you guys had marked right here to go above it, right? Now, in the beginning, there was a ton of chop. So in the beginning, this one was tough. So if you were trading SPY in here, even off your, your 434 level, it only broke through and then it dropped. And then it came back up and then it dropped. Then it stayed down, then it broke through and then it dropped. And then it broke through. You see what I mean? Like it was a mess. It didn't clean itself up till about right here, about this 11 o'clock mark. And that's when it just, the rest of the day went to the upside. But if you were caught within this first hour and a half, this was trash. Do you see it? That was tough.
I feel like a lot of people did a good job of riding it out, though. We knew it was choppy.
Oh, good. Yeah, good, good. Yeah, it's one of those you got to be, just strong on your conviction and let it ride. But if you look at the overall trend, so this is where it touched this 433. If you look at the overall trend line to the upside, obviously hindsight, but still, it only pulled back once here and then it was gone the rest of the day. See it? You want to buy during these bear markets and pullbacks. Why would you be adding up here when you could have got the sale down here? Now I keep seeing everybody on Twitter. Well, if Tesla goes under 200, I'm going to get some. Dude, you had it at 100. Why are you looking at 200 now as the sale, right? This is new trader FOMO bullshit, you guys. You want to get it when it's low, get it when it's hot. Don't buy it when it's not. Why would you want to pay full price for something when you can get it on a discount, right? This is why timing the market is also hard. So investors, if you're investing and you're holding long term, just like mine, let me show you. So if we are long-term investors, meaning we're going to hold for a very long time, right? So this is my TSLY. It's going to be very hard for you, right, to time the market. This is called timing the market. The problem with trying to time the market, oh, well, I'm just going to get out here and I'll buy back in here. The problem when we try to time the market is if you have cash that's just sitting in your lap and the market decides to rip, right? And you're just sitting there, deer in the headlights. I don't know if I should get in now. Well, maybe I'll wait for the next pullback. Well, it hasn't pulled back yet today. You know what? I'll wait till tomorrow. Let's see what tomorrow brings. You know what? I'm just going to wait till Monday. I'm sure over the weekend, it's just going to go my way. You know what? I don't see anything yet. Let's just go ahead and wait till February. Oh, you know what? I can still see. Oh, yeah, this is definitely going to come back. And it will look like this, right? And you originally sold it somewhere in here thinking you were going to be smart and time the market when it comes down to here. And now it's up here and you missed all of this. Does that make sense?